You're watching the ISA Live from the Show video wrap-up, brought to you by IDTV. A special thanks to our sponsors, Snap-on and Infor.
This is Wells and Jack Keough here from ISA in San Diego. Jack and I were just talking about some of the benefits that we're seeing from trade events such as these. Obviously, this is an industry that is very relationship-based. We know that from years and years in the industry. However, I think one of the often overlooked benefits of these shows is just the fact that folks can demo their products. I think as distributors become more integrated and start selling more product lines, the product lines become more complex, that you really can't undervalue the opportunity to really get in front of your customer base or your distributors and demo the products as they come out, talk about the development and how the user feedback is integrated into those designs.
Yeah, that's exactly right, Anna. You know, this is, I believe, the 6th year that ISA has had a product show as part of its annual convention. And it's really worked out well. And in fact, I talked to a distributor just today, and he was saying that, you know, he had his doubts about actually having a product show rather than the traditional top-level management meetings that usually take place between manufacturers and distributors. And he said, I wasn't sure about that. I wasn't sure it was going to work. Well, today he said he went over and actually told some of the members of the association that this was the best thing the association has done. He was saying it's really great to be able to touch, feel, and really see how a product can be used in the marketplace and really see its techniques and all its features and benefits. It means much more to see it and do that kind of thing than in the past. So I think all in all, I think everyone's pleased with the demonstration of new products.
Good afternoon, I'm Michael Carr. I am the Vice President of the Industrial Supply Association. We are calling here from San Diego at the 2013 Industrial Supply Association Product Show and Conference. As my role, I am the Vice President of Sales at Snap-on Industrial, and we are here to talk to you about our products, our innovative products. And we have everything from our visual tool control to our advanced technology lab, so you can see we have some customer meetings going on here. This provides us a unique opportunity to meet with the largest members of our distributor, the executives of our distributors, and to really put something forward to drive business plans linked with our new products. And it allows us to deliver our value proposition, which is the most valued productivity solutions in the world, which we deliver with our people, our products, and our programs. So we're glad we're here. We'll be in New Orleans next May, and thanks for stopping by.
We're live from the floor at the ISA show on day 2. One of the things we've seen coming out of this ISA product showcase are a lot of tools that are focusing on both safety consciousness and productivity. We're currently standing outside of Wera Tools, which is tools from ideas. And one of the things they're showcasing here at the event is their new Joker open-end ratcheting wrench. And what it does is it has a couple added little features here. One of the things is it has this extra little grab so that it can grasp the fastener to prevent losing it as you're pulling things out. It also has a limit stop that keeps the wrench from sliding past the fastener as you're trying to turn. It also securely grasps the sides of the fastener because of the added teeth on the ratcheting end of the Joker. It's made of a chrome vanadium steel, and it's a brush, so it's not too shiny for you. And there's also 80 teeth on the ratcheting side for enhanced use in tight spaces. This is definitely a tool we want to keep our eye on as we're looking at tools that just do a little bit more than their traditional counterparts. So as we're here at the show, we've seen a lot of tools that are taking things just one step further, whether they're automatically tethered to a fall protection suit or whether they are keeping the fastener in place as you turn it. They're really taking things to the next level.
Tim Barry's an old friend who's been with American Saw for many years, who has now started a new venture called Cataleap. Tim, why don't you tell us a little bit about it?
Sure, thank you, Jack. And good to see you here. The show's been very, very good for us. Cataleap, we just started recently, within the last 2 months. And the idea behind Cataleap is that it's a central repository for manufacturers' catalogs, so that things that used to be physical and through paper, we used to, basically when you think about it, for years we have been delivering information about our products through catalogs and through flyers, and we've done it that way for 50, 60, 70 years, a printed catalog. And in many cases that you've got to search for that catalog, you've got to search within that catalog. That catalog can go quickly out of date. It can quickly get lost. It may not be available when you need it. So with Cataleap, what we're doing is we're taking manufacturers' catalogs and we're adding a bunch of functionality to that catalog, and we're digitizing it, and we want to put it in a central library so that it's accessible to anyone whenever and wherever they need that information. So they don't have to search, and within a few keystrokes, they can find the information that they need.
This is Anna Wells and Jack Keough, again signing off from ISA in San Diego. Thanks for joining us for our coverage. We really appreciate your loyalty and viewership. Keep your calendars clear for next May. 2014 show will be in New Orleans, so dust off your Mardi Gras beads, Jack.
Yeah, I can hardly wait. You know, New Orleans is a great site for a convention. It's been held there before, and I think you're going to see a good reaction and a positive one from the many distributors and manufacturers as part of this association. All in all, it's been a great show. And again, we'd like to thank you for participating and watching and keeping up with the events, and we hope you enjoy what we did for you this year. Thank you.
You're watching the ISA Live from the Show video wrap-up, brought to you by IDTV. A special thanks to our sponsors, Snap-on and Infor.